Hello, this is Dick Slonsky, Senior Analyst for ARC Advisory Group and Research Director for the Product Lifecycle Management or PLM markets. I have recently published the PLM market study for base year 2019 and the forecast for the 5-year period from 2020 to 2024. Today I'm going to provide a brief overview of the current PLM market and the content of the study, the technologies and the trends affecting this market, and take a look at some of the factors both driving and inhibiting the PLM market. As Senior Analyst and PLM Research Director, I've been following and analyzing the PLM market for over 20 years. So let's take a look at some of the current and future trends affecting the PLM market. Today we are experiencing the digitalization of both PLM and the industries it supports. The digital thread ties together all aspects of the PLM lifecycle, from product design and test through manufacturing to the product and service. We are seeing the implementation of the digital twin throughout a number of industries, where manufacturers can merge the virtual environment of 3D design and the physical equipment and operations. Additionally, we're seeing a strong focus on systems engineering, which is proving to be one of the drivers of the overall digital transformation. PLM suppliers are providing the technology and solutions to help their customers with the implementation of the industrial IoT and the intelligent edge. We're seeing the emergence of advanced simulation platforms for product test and validation, from product design to service. PLM is fully moving to the cloud, providing new business and models for customers. And additive manufacturing and material science is changing how products are made. PLM market drivers are in line with most of the major trends and technologies for PLM. Some of the drivers today that are driving the market today are a demand for increased efficiency and productivity across the discrete industries, and especially in businesses that require systems design capability. We're seeing a development of the industrial IoT, the intelligent edge, and the digital twin. Of course, cloud deployment and SaaS is also driving the PLM market. We're seeing the growth of additive manufacturing, material science, and industrial applications. Competition in established markets from smaller agile companies employing the newest innovations and disruptive technologies. Expanding the adoption of the digital thread and the end-to-end solution set. And finally, the growth of the subscription model businesses and the flexibility it provides to small and medium businesses. In terms of inhibitors, at this time the single largest inhibitor to the PLM market is the current coronavirus pandemic and the onset of global economic downturn. We can also see slow adoption of IoT technology in industrial applications as an inhibitor, and also, of course, the economic slowdowns in the U.S. and globally due to protectionist policies and trade tariffs. Let's take a look at some of the PLM strategies for success for both buyers and suppliers. For the buyers or the customers of PLM solutions, they really need to thoroughly assess their PLM needs and their overall design build needs across the life cycle, and to develop a business model around that before they begin to make actual selections for PLM solutions. Additionally, they need to find a balance between customization and turnkey solutions. Also, explore options when selecting deployment and licensing models. For the supply side, Developing strategies for the post-pandemic recovery will uh, no doubt be one of the first orders of business going forward. Uh, Continue to embrace disruptive technologies, continue to seek out strategic partnerships and acquisitions to stay ahead of adoption curves of emerging technologies, and also optimize process and workflows and not just products. Thank you all for your attention. The PLM market study is currently available. Please contact your ARC group, advisory group client manager, or the author at dsolonsky@arcweb.com. Thanks.